Hello, thank you for watching Tech Empire. In this headphone episode we are going to check out another gaming headset, Astro A50. Astro has a history of delivering some of the best gaming headsets on the market. One of the most recent models in the lineup is the Astro A50, this headset best for Xbox One and PlayStation 4 and PC gaming. One thing is that this headphone doesn't come cheap. If you're thinking of spending $300 on any pair of headphones, it would be nice to know that it's top quality. We put the Astro A50 headset to the test to find out, so let's get started with the video. Let's move on the design quality. Astro A50 offers relatively large ear cups that are mounted on an equally large plastic and metal frame. Those ear cups themselves are actually attached to some metal-colored pipes, which are blue if you get the PlayStation 4 version, or green if you get the Xbox One version. On the right ear cup, you'll find the majority of the controls, including a power switch, a three-way EQ slider, a volume dial, and a Dolby button. You can also press on the cover of the ear cup to adjust the balance between voice and game sounds. On the bottom of each ear cup, there's a connector for the headset's dock, and through those pins you'll charge the headset. While the right ear cup houses all the controls, the left ear cup is where you'll find the microphone, which can be lowered when in use and folded back up when you don't want to use it. In general, the Astro A50 headset looks great and is very solidly built. While it's largely made with plastic rather than metal, the fact is that it's strong enough for day-to-day use. On top of that, the headset will largely stay at home, so you don't need something bulletproof, and being lighter will certainly be helpful. Let's talk about the comfort. Gaming headsets are a little different than normal headphones. The main reason is the comfort, because gamers tend to wear their headphones for longer periods of time. Thankfully, Astro has taken that on board, and the Astro A50 headset is extremely comfortable. There's plenty of padding on both the ear cups and the headband, and we wore the headphones for hours on end without feeling like they got too uncomfortable. In general, Astro has hit a home run with the Astro A50 headset in the comfort department. They're light, don't clamp too hard, and there's plenty of padding. If we had to come up with a complaint, we would say that they can get a little warm but far less so than other headsets. Let's talk about the sound quality. Sound is an important aspect to consider on any pair of headphones, and Astro has taken a number of steps to ensure that sound quality is as good as possible on the A50. The headphones feature Dolby 7.1 surround sound, and because of that can deliver nice and immersive audio in any gaming situation. Even in non-gaming situations, surround sound presents a very interesting take. For example, listening to podcasts with surround sound on made it feel like the people talking were actually in the room with you. The headset also offers a small switch with 3 different EQ modes: Astro, Pro, and Studio. Astro is balanced, while Pro offers a bit of a bass boost, and Studio seems to emphasize the high end a little more. Let's move on performance. There's nothing worse than your headphones running out of juice in the middle of a game, but thankfully Astro has managed to find a way to avoid the problem. The dock is where your headphones will live when you're not using them, so if they'll charge up overnight without you. Just a note, you will need to ensure the headphones are properly placed on the dock. When fully charged, the headphones will offer a hefty 15 hours of battery life. That's not much compared to other non-gaming wireless headphones. While it's not specifically said on the Astro website, we assume that they use Bluetooth to connect, and they do so quite well. They offer a standard 30 feet of range, and we never experienced any skips or interrupted audio without straying away from the computer. Let's talk about the microphone. The microphone is probably the weakest aspect of the Astro A50 gaming headset, but it's still not bad. The audio quality is generally fine for in-game chat, but at times you might sound slightly distant, and there is a slight distortion to the voice. If you're filming Let's Play videos or recording podcasts, you may want to get a dedicated microphone to achieve a better audio quality. It's conclusion time. Astro has really done well with the Astro A50 gaming headset. The headphones are well designed and quite light, very comfortable, and they sound great. We love the sound quality of the Dolby surround sound, and while the microphone left a little to be desired, we would argue that the Astro A50 gaming headset is the best all-around headset available, but they are a little pricey. If you don't mind shelling out the $300, the Astro A50 gaming headset is the headset you should go for. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel. See you next time only on Tech Empire.